following portion of Great Day KC is sponsored by 1 Hour Heating and Air.
Keeping your home comfortable year-round is what 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning does best, and they're doing that for our heroes who bravely served.
Yeah, back when we had all that heavy snow, Palmer Davidson was able to speak with them to learn more. Let's check it out.
We're out here at Camp Valor Outdoors. Matt, tell me, why are we here? What do they do here?
So we're here with John Schwint from Camp Valor Outdoors. He is the president and founder. His big thing is taking care of veterans and stuff like that.
John, how are you doing, buddy?
I'm great. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so tell me a little bit about what we're looking at here.
So this is the Camp Valor Outdoors Veterans Village, and we are rehabilitating wounded, ill and injured, and homeless veterans. We get them off the street, we put them in a tiny home, and then we partner wraparound resources for them to help them get back on their feet.
So I'm guessing, being a veteran yourself, you probably saw a need. Tell me what inspired you to start this?
Well, to me, it's a big one, and I think it's a national tragedy. What's happening today is we have 20 to 22 veterans committing suicide every single day, and we just can't wait for our government to fix it. Yeah. So community nonprofits like ours are stepping up and trying to fill the gap.
So how has this grown since the start of it? You're in 13 states now.
Well, the model is we find a need and we try to get there. We connect warriors in the outdoors, and so we bring them in from all over the country. But how we are expanding is we will go launch another area. Like we're launching CVO, Oklahoma this year. So we got some landowners that are wanting some guys to come out and manage their property, do some fishing and hunting on their property, and then we will bring them in.
So obviously, John, you've got this whole facility here in these tiny homes, but before we came over here, there's actually that whole other facility that we went and toured. Talk to me a little bit about that. What all do you offer there?
Yeah, sure. So in 2013, we built a barracks facility in Kingsville. So it's got 7 queen-size pillow-top orthopedic beds. We bring warriors in from all across the country. We pay for all of that to connect them in the outdoors. So hunting, fishing, shooting, archery, four-wheeling, we do that in our facility there. It's about 1,800 square feet, so we've hosted groups out there. So when our warriors come in town, they have to have a place to stay. So they stay there. We have groups coming in that provide the meals for them. We launched a honeybee program about 4 years ago. We have 44 hives on our property there. It's on 50 acres. And so we give the classes and the mentorship. So veterans with PTSD, it's very therapeutic with honeybees. We're giving veterans the bees, the hives, the mentorship, and the training so they can get into honeybees. So we offer all of those things.
That's awesome, John. I'd really appreciate all of that. And part of that partnership with the community is actually kind of coming back here to Matt. This is kind of where you guys come in a little bit as a partner. So I understand you're here kind of doing a tour today of the different houses. And describe for me the veterans home that we're going to have a look at here.
It's a really cool, unique little home. If I'm right, it's a little over 300 square feet. It's fully furnished and everything. Does a good job of really just supplying all the needs for the veterans and everything that they need to get rehabilitated.
Obviously, you're doing the heating and the cooling here, right? Tell me about that and why it's important for you guys to be a part of that.
So we want to make sure while they're rehabilitating that they have the peace of mind that they're going to be comfortable. Because it's a big deal, being cold, being hot, and so we're installing these mini splits on all of the units and just making sure that they're good to go. And we just want to take care of the veterans.
That is really awesome, man. I love that. So one last question for you, John. If our viewers at home who are watching, they want to get involved with Camp Valor Outdoors, what's the best way for them to get involved in your mission?
That's an awesome question. And you can find us on Facebook at Camp Valor Outdoors, our website, campvaloroutdoors.org. I get every private message that comes through our Facebook campaign. Partnering with local mom and pop businesses like 1 Hour Heating and Air is huge for us. We're looking for more partners like that. We are a 501c3, so we're tax exempt. We can provide taxable donations for those companies that want to come help with us. But at the end of the day, getting together and working as a community to know the difference and the impact we're making, that's where it's at, and we would love some more help and support.
I love it. John, appreciate your time today, man. And really, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you on behalf of the viewers and everyone at Fox 4. Thank you so much for what you're doing out here, dude. It really, really means a lot. It's inspiring. So thank you so much. Absolutely. All the information that you need to know to get involved with this amazing mission is right there on your screen.
Thank you so much, Palmer. That is an incredible way to give back. Now, we told you how you can learn more about Camp Valor, and to also learn more about 1 Hour Heating and Air, you can visit onehourkc.com.
The preceding portion of Great Day KC was sponsored by 1 Hour Heating and Air.